皆さん、こんにちは。はじめまして。私はJulieです。Hello everyone. My name is Julie. Nice to meet you. I'm originally from China. I lived 7 years in Japan, where I earned my Ph.D. from Nagoya University, specialized in Japanese language, literature, and culture. Teaching Japanese is my passion. Besides teaching, I enjoy cooking, riding my bicycle, swimming, and running. With over 2 years of teaching experience, I offer tailored lessons to learners at all levels, from beginners to advanced students. My curriculum includes beginner-friendly Japanese course, JLPT preparation, exploration of Japanese literature and culture. I have been through the tough process of learning Japanese myself, so I know exactly what challenges learners face. Plus, I have lived in Japan for a long time and worked at a Japanese bank for over 5 years. This gives me a special understanding of Japanese customs and society, so I can help you see how they are different from what you might be used to in the West or China. I'm dedicated to give you more than just language skills. I want to help you really understand Japan and its culture. No matter you want to become fluent in Japanese or just learn more about its culture, I will be here to support you every step of the way, from basics to advanced levels. I look forward to seeing you in my class. Bye bye, see you later.